Hello, and welcome to Imaging Spectrum's unboxing of the Epson SureColor F1070. Let's start with making sure we have enough space to remove the wrapping and additional items out of the box. Please have a table or stand that can hold 152 pounds or more, ready to place the printer. The SureColor F1070 requires 2 people to lift it out of the packaging, but I suggest having 3 people help. Now, I will show you the items that have come in. Here we have the grip pad that goes on the printing platen if you choose to place it on it. These are cleaning material pads. This is the grip pad tool to smooth out your garments. This is your Start Here manual. Here are some charts providing you with daily, weekly, monthly, and long-term information on maintain. You also have your power cord. Here's your first maintenance kit for your printer in the white box. The last items in your packaging are your inks and maintenance liquid. Please shake/rock the inks 30 times before you place them in your printer. Once you have done so, you can open up your printer and remove instructions and additional tape. The instructions tell you where the tool is and how to remove the blue brackets under the top cover. Take your time in removing the screws to prevent stripping or damaging them for future use. These brackets should be used if you move the printer out of your current shop location or plan to ship it. This paper states that this product has been verified to print normally before shipping. Now you can remove the tape that sits over the wiper assembly, but be cautious not to unseat the wiper. Take those brackets you removed, the manuals, and maintenance charts, and place them together to prevent the loss of these items. Now that the interior of the printer is clear, you can remove the platen from its sleeve and place it in the center of the printer. The platen comes with a metal ring frame to help keep the garment flat and in place. As you face the front of the printer, your power port and network port will be in the rear bottom right-hand corner of the printer, as you see in the video here. The Ultra Chrome DG2 ink 250 milliliter pouch door opens downward toward you as so. The maintenance tank opens downward as well, but can only be open with the print bay open. As the tank is pulled out, please note the silver film. This film is sealing the waste inside the maintenance tank. Do not remove the film from the maintenance tank. There's a label with an image on the tank stating not to remove the film from the tank. Reinstall the tank with the rubber port facing inward and close it back up. Now let's place the new keyed ink pouch into their trays. The ink pouches fit over the 2 notches at the top of the tray, as you see in the video. Once in place, the ink will sit flush with the tray. The white ink tray is very close to the top of the frame, and you may skip over it. But do not worry. With the key system at the top of the pouch, this will prevent you from having issues. Now load your other colors that same way, and remember, the pouches will be flush with the tray when properly installed. Once you are done installing the ink, close the door. Now we are ready to turn on the printer. The first display is which language you would like the printer to be set on. Next is daylight savings time. setting, and after this is the format of time and date. Please set that now and press OK. Pick your time frame of 12-hour days or 24-hour days, and enter the time after that, then press OK. Length unit is next, and this is where you pick metric or standard, followed by Celsius or Fahrenheit menu, which you will pick. The printer will prepare the settings and go to the initialization start screen. Press OK to initialize the ink priming of the printer, which will take about 36 minutes. Once the process is done, it will be time to remove the ink charging unit. Please wear gloves to avoid ink on your hands. Here are the step-by-step instructions displayed on the screen for ease of use on the Epson F1070. Now, with the charging unit removed, you will be able to hit OK. The printer will set itself back into place and will be ready to print. Just for good measure, I have sent a print of a colorful cat to print on a direct-to-film. Now, watch this compact, versatile hybrid printer print this outstanding, high-quality image. Thank you for watching. For more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe.